In this lesson, we're going to add some modules on the right side of the page. Currently, there's just this one Find Us on Facebook here. But what I'm going to do is I want to move the popular videos and put this here on the right corner. So let's go to Extensions, Module Manager, and you want to click on Popular Videos. So once you click on this, we're going to move it from this section here and put it over right here. Okay, so you have several options here. You have the number of videos that you can showcase on this side. You can change the width and the height. And where it says position, you want to click that and put that to module. So we know that from the module positions of this template, everything on this section here is the sidebar right. So we need to change that position from this to the sidebar. You can just type SID and it's going to give you options here. So we need to put the sidebar right. So once we make that selection, go to menu assignment. You want to make sure it says on all pages. That means that this module is going to show up on the entire website. And then here you have the option you want to list by hits or likes. I'm just going to select hits. You can choose either or, doesn't matter. And we're just going to leave the width as that. All right, let's click, or let's just change that so it just says popular videos. Okay, let's click save and refresh the home page. All right, so as you can see here, all the items are now showing on the right side of the page. Let's change the number of videos that show up in this right column here. Right now there are 6 videos, and as you can see, it's stretched down way too far. So let's change the settings for those. So instead of 6, we're going to have 3. And let's change the dimensions, the width to 50 to 150. And for the class suffix, remember earlier I talked about the different module variations. We're going to put the light here. So if you go on the front page, you notice right now there's no differentiation. You can't tell the difference. It's just all, a blank background. So once we've made this change, we've added the module suffix called light. Let's save. And you're going to notice that when we refresh the home page, you have a different style in here. So it's no longer just a white. It adds a little bit of flavor, a little bit of style to it. And the size of the videos have changed to, a little bigger as well. So they're not that small. So there you have 3 videos. But if you notice something here, the title is a little bit cut off. So we're going to fix it so that it extends a little bit more. To fix that, we have to go to configurations. And from here, you get a pretty good idea for the title truncation. We're just going to change that from 20 to 60. And we're going to change this from 150 to 100. And there's some other settings too that you might want to, of course, come back here and change as you need to. Show number of videos. If you don't want the number of videos to show on the category, then you can just click no here. So I'm just going to click no there. And if you want to show empty categories, you can choose yes or no. And how do you want to order the videos by? So you can come back here and make the necessary adjustments that you want for the front end. So once you're done, just click save and close. So let's refresh. I was going to click on a different page here. Okay, so once I refresh it now, you notice that the entire title shows. And I know that, it looks very big and long and it takes up a lot of space. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how we can be able to fix that in the next lesson.